Eskom suspends load shedding temporarily. In a recent announcement, Eskom has revealed that load shedding will be put on hold until 1600 hours on Monday, bringing a temporary relief to many South Africans. However, the respite will be short-lived, as the power utility plans to resume Stage 2 load shedding from 1600 hours onwards until 5 o'clock on Tuesday. This alternating pattern will continue with load shedding suspended again from 5 o'clock on Tuesday until 1600 hours, only to be followed by the reinstatement of Stage 2 from 16 to 5 o'clock the following day. Eskom states that this routine will persist daily until further notice, in an effort to manage the strained power supply situation. Eskom's evening peak demand tonight is 24,849 megawatts. Eskom will communicate should any significant changes occur, said Daphne Mokoena, spokesperson for Eskom. Mokoena attributes this temporary suspension to the return of several generating units to service and the availability of sufficient emergency reserves. He disclosed that Eskom anticipates an additional 2,200 megawatts of generating capacity to be restored by Wednesday. The decision to implement load shedding revolves around the evening peak demand, which currently stands at 24,849 megawatts. Eskom assures the public that any significant changes in the situation will be promptly communicated. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.